Okay, Mr. Murugan is now putting the secret ingredient, the water. Water is the secret ingredient. Aywa. This is the and you should put this way. It will not taste good if you will not put this way, yeah? Your water should come from Sprite bottle. If no, it will not taste good. Then fire. Okay, so it's done, huh? The chopping and the mixing is done. So only the heating, the cooking. Okay.
Ready?
Yes, ready. Walk with Mr. Murugan. Remove. We call it kalan. Oh, huh? Okay. So we will keep it. Boil after 15 days. It will keep there. 15 days. 15 days.
15 minutes.
I'm just joking, my friend. Just joking. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, Mr. Murugan, thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Put this on YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Nah. Say hi. Say hi on your friends in India.
Thanks for watching.
Friends in India.
Sorry.
Your friends in India.
Vanakkam. Sorry.
Yes, sir. No problem.
No problem.
English, not English.
Not English. Only my mother tongue.
You say hi to your family.
I am murugan. சொந்த ஊர் திருநெல்வேலி, பக்கத்தில் சங்கரங்கள் ஒரு கிராமம், கத்தாரில் வேலை பார்க்குற அப்போலோவில். இது என்னுடைய ஃப்ரெண்டு. நானும் இவரும் ஒன்றா ஒரே டிவிஷனில் வேலை பார்த்துட்டு இவர் வந்து பிலிப்பைன்ஸு. அடுத்தாப்புல வால்சர் மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங்.
Okay. So.
Okay. See you later. Bye.
Okay, that's Murugan.
Bye.
The mudir here in the yard. Okay. Bye.